equal bias, like gender equal bias, मतलब लड़का लड़की जो भी है will have the equal rights. Okay, but this time the theme is different. Can anyone tell me? Yeah, digital. Very true. Yes, digital innovation technology. Okay. What digitalized we have become is, जितना हम लोग digitalized हो गए हैं, everyone has a smartphone, right? Can anyone tell me how many apps do we have on this? No, just check on your screen. Please, it is very important. These are the apps, right? At least 20 to 30 apps we'll have in this. Am I audible? Yes. Please listen to me very carefully, because day and out we are getting number of cases where so much of fraud is been taken place because of by using the technology. See, we have nearly 20 to 30 apps on here, but how many are we using regularly? Hardly 5 to 6. That is contact, gallery, FB, Insta, Twitter, but WhatsApp, camera. But other than that, there are so many apps which we are not using. But can you tell me, or are you sure that none of the app is harming us? Not sure, right? There the problems are coming up. I'll just quickly tell you some of the incidents, which cases we have come across. One lady has given her phone for repairing purpose. Okay. एक lady अपना phone repairing के लिए दी थी. Then what happened is, the phone repairing person has downloaded an app in her phone. And do you know that hidden app option is there? Yeah, there is a hidden app option also in this. So what that fellow did is, he has downloaded an app in her phone and he has kept that app in the hidden app. And now whatever this girl is talking to anyone, to her friends or everyone, that fellow is coming to know about all the things. And this fellow again calls her from the other number and says ki, you have boyfriend, you have so many photos with him, because gallery access also that fellow is having. So what he is doing is, whatever that this girl is talking and all, everything is recorded. Even the video calls also been hacked there. So whatever she is doing, all these are being known by the person who did the repairing and who has downloaded. Then one fine day, somehow she came to know about the SHE team and cybercrime is also existing. So she approached to us. We stay in the Commissioner office, Gachibowli. There she came to us. First we have checked the whole phone. So why I said before itself is, so many apps are there on the phone, but we don't know which all apps are useful and which are not useful, which are harmful to us. So then what happened is, through our technical team, we made the whole phone searched for whatever the access or some apps are there which are damaging her reputation. Then we came to know that in a hidden app, there was an app which was it was like a trap, you can tell. Whatever the things are there, that fellow was, the repairing person was knowing about that. Later, we could trace that fellow's address, and then for our surprise, what we have found is, he was having a laptop in which nearly 50 to 60 girls' contacts were there, and it was continuously running. Like in case if girl is talking, the lines were like this. And in case if he want to hear that sound, he'll just put a earphone and he'll listen. And otherwise, in case if he'll see कि call has gone from where to where, in case if the girl has come on the in the communication, he would have left that call. अगर कोई लड़के के साथ चैटिंग चल रहा है या ऑड टाइमिंग इवनिंग्स में, अगर कोई व्हाट्सएप में चैट चल रहा है या वीडियो कॉल चल रहा है, देन ही यूज्ड टू आल्सो रिकॉर्ड दोज. आई टेल यू कि काफ़ी लड़कियां जो अभी हैं, लड़कियां हो या एनी एज, फॉर दैट रीज़न, whenever we sleep in the nights, in case if we have a boyfriend or any of our extra relation person, definitely in the night times we get into the chat with that guy. and gradually the chat turns into a video conference. And that video conference, please don't do. It is very dangerous because yeah. Please again come back to the same mood now. Sorry for this disturbance. So we could trap that fellow, the one who was the repairing person. We have seen nearly 50 to 60 girls on record there. We could track him through the IP address. Okay. जिस उससे IP address से he has downloaded the app, no? Through that and all, we have a separate technical team. We could trap that fellow. And we have also intimated to those girls to delete that app. We have taken the phone numbers of those 50 to 60 girls whose phone number was being recorded by this fellow, and we called them and said ki you please go to the hidden app or whatever the sections are there. We guided them and we said them to delete this app because the whole whatever the information is this girl having, everything was being heard by that fellow, and these girls are being victim in those fellows' hand. Secondly, the one thing what I was just discussing, that the chat during nights, the chat will turn into video calls, and again the video calls will again turn into nude or semi-nude video calls also. So because you may not be knowing, but we are coming across some of the cases. Please have an eye on the youngsters, whoever are there at your homes. आपके बच्चे हो या कोई भी हो या whatever, for that reason, just have an eye on the whatever the activities during night they are doing, because everyone is having a separate bedroom nowadays. So they are isolated, so they have a good time to chat or video call. Only one thing I just wanted to tell you, whatever the communication you are doing, see, suppose I am doing some communication through my phone to this madam. Do you think that it is only between us?
No.
Definitely it is not. Okay? Because whatever I have to talk, the signal has to pass through a tower. From the tower, again the signal has to go to this lady. Isn't it? So in between this tower, me and the tower between that lady, there are so many hackers in between. Whoever can hack that phone. Whoever जो आपके टावर से सिग्नल्स आते हैं, maximum people, there are so many hackers who can easily hack the phones. So please be careful. Any electronic gadget, because now we are totally dependent on the electronic gadget. So any electronic gadget can be hacked. Take it for granted. Don't think that whatever you are talking, whatever you are sharing, whatever the video call, privacy you are doing, it is not privacy when an electronic gadget has entered in your communication. Okay? Definitely you should think that my communication, whatever I am talking, whatever I am saying or whatever I am sharing is being noticed by other people also. And this can lead to a future danger. So please be careful while handling any electronic device and chatting or video calls. But within four walls, whatever you do, it's okay, because no recording, no electronic gadget is there in this. Clear, Andy? So I hope after this my this session, in case if you would have done already, at least this corrective measure will be there, and you will not repeat this thing. Okay. Secondly, do you know the whatever the things like mail ID or whatever things are there, whatever the scientifically or electronic things we are using, comes with the www dot. Am I right? Anything is there, any website is there without www? Google also has www. All has a www. www is nothing but it's a web created for victims. Okay? आपके घर में जाला होता है, तो जाला जो स्पाइडर बनाता है, अगर जाले में स्पाइडर अटक गया तो इट कैन कम आउट इजीली, बट अगेन एक छोटा सा इंसेक्ट या कोई फ्लाई उस जाला में अटक गया, इट कांट कम आउट बिकॉज जो जाला बनाया हुआ है दैट इज वेब, WEB, www.com. So it is nothing but whatever the communication you are doing, you are getting into stuck into that web. Please don't get into stuck of that, because the whole web is being trapped for you, the victims, and especially the women. So we need not see, we should be careful that we can't we shouldn't be stuck in that web. It is very difficult to come out of that web in case if we are stuck into that. Okay, so whatever, because rightly said by that madam, this year digitalization and technology is been emphasized for this Women's Day. See, now good olden days have gone, like लोगों पे एसिड फेंकना हो या कोई जा रहा है तो उसको स्टॉकिंग करना है, पीछे पड़ना है, विजिल मारना है, all those things we don't find now. What people are doing is they are easily tracking you or making you victim by the electronic gadget or the technology they are using, and they are trapping you. Okay, so please be careful that whenever you are using any technology, as जितना उसका बेनिफिट है उतना ही उसका लॉस भी है. सो जब भी आप यूज़ कर रहे हो कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक या डिजिटलाइजेशन या टेक्नोलॉजी, बी केयरफुल दैट उसको प्रॉपरली यूज़ करना है, उसका गलत यूज़ में नहीं जाना है. ओके, दिस वॉज द सेकेंड थिंग. अकाउंट से लिंक है ना. Nowadays we are not carrying money on in the purse and all. Maximum we are going for a phone pay or whatever the payments online. See, every online payment is connected with the phone. Okay, phone number के साथ connected है. लेकिन जब आप अपने बच्चे को दे रहे हो for doing some homework, or in case if a child is crying, you give the phone to the child. That time the child may knowingly or unknowingly may click any link. Okay, may click any link where the whole account of your bank account becomes zero the moment your child clicks a link here. These are the cyber crimes. Please be careful in this one. आप लोग को जो ध्यान में रखना है ये है कि जब आप अपने बच्चे को कोई फ़ोन दे रहे हो तो देखिए वो फ़ोन का कनेक्शन जो है आपके अकाउंट से ना लिंक हो. ओके, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी केसेस. अभी सी आई एम अ इंस्पेक्टर बट सम पीपल हैव सेंड मी मैसेज 8,000 पर मंथ, देर इज़ अ गुड जॉब, लिंक को क्लिक करो. एक इंस्पेक्टर को 8,000 का नौकरी देने के लिए रेडी है वो, और मेरे को बोल रहा है कि www. में लिंक कर को क्लिक करना उसको. हाँ, तो उसको भी मैं ले सकती, लिंक नहीं, तू आजा इधर आ करके, है ना. सो दे डोंट नो अबाउट द अपोजिट पर्सन्स प्रोफेशन, बट ओनली जाला फेंकते. अपन दाना डालते ना तो पूरे दाने तो खाते नहीं, कबूतर आके एक दो खाता, तो कबूतरियाँ हैं तो कबूतरियाँ एक दो दाना खाए तो भी अटक जाते. सो यू डोंट कम इन टू दैट. वो जो दाना डाल रहे हैं, द लिंक, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज, जब आपका बच्चा खेल रहा है, बाय चांस ही मे क्लिक दैट, एंड दैट इज हाउ द होल डेटा ऑफ योर फोन विल गो ऑफ. क्लियर? दिस इज वन थिंग. I just wanted to discuss everything on the cyber crimes only this time today, because the concept itself is a digital technology and huge loss is been happening here. क्यों, आप लोग कुछ प्रॉब्लम में फंस गए क्या? रेड ड्रेसेस नहीं, अभी कुछ तालिका नहीं आया. बॉडी प्रेजेंट, माइंड एब्सेंट. ओके, सी सेकेंडली, और एक मैं बताती हूँ आपको. विद दिस आई विल वाइंड अप. ओके, I'll not take much of your entertainment section. Nearly 15 to 20 your entertaining events are lined up, so I'll not take much time. I'll give you only one last this thing where you should be aware. Nowadays, this financial app loans are there. Are you aware of it? Yes. I myself have Googled and I came to know nearly 23 financial loan apps are there. Financial loan apps. Do you know how the people are getting trapped in this? I'll tell you. This is, you need to listen, because irrespective of age, irrespective, like homemakers hai, but still in case if we want some money, we just apply on the loan app. See here, what happens is, in case if you need 5 to 10 lakhs, you will Google a online loan app. That fellow will charge you nearly 5 to 6 rupees interest. But as the rate of interest is more, but still your requirement is more urgent. So within 2 or 3 days, he will make the process complete and give you the 5 lakh or 6 lakh or 10 lakhs, whatever the loan amount you have asked. But in return, what he will do is, he will send you a form. ओके PDF टाइप फॉर्म और वेब लिंक में एक फॉर्म भेजेगा. उसमें आपको पूछेगा प्लीज गिव एक्सेस ऑफ योर फोन. फोन के कॉन्टैक्ट्स का जो है उसका एक्सेस पूछेगा. देन यू विल बी पुटिंग टिक टू द एक्सेस. ही विल पुट अ गैलरी एक्सेस. यू विल पुट अ गैलरी का एक्सेस मैं क्यों दूं, आई शुड नॉट गिव. यू मे नॉट क्लिक. देन ही विल आस्क यू फॉर योर एक्सेस ऑफ योर FB का दे दोगे आप, इंस्टा का दे दोगे. और अगर गैलरी का नहीं आया, and after you submit that, again it will blink a message that gallery access is mandatory. Because you are in a mood of getting money, you will not think चलो जाने तो गैलरी में है क्या, मेरे थोड़े फोटोज हैं. But I'll tell you what photos you may not remember, those photos will be there in the recycle bin, and as your phone is connected with your mail, the photos or will be in the mail ID also. Okay? तो ये पीछे का ही नहीं, बट मेल तक में जो है आपके पुराने, एक 10 साल के पुराने फोटोज भी जो आप भूल गए होंगे, क्योंकि गैलरी में देखने से यू कांट फाइंड दोस, बट इट विल बी सेव्ड इन द मेल. ओके, दिस फेलो ही विल आस्क फॉर द एक्सेस ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, गैलरी, all whatever the things, whatever the important things what you are using, he'll ask the access of it. After you giving the what do you call access, he'll give the money, and after you paying the money with interest, पूरा money pay करने के बाद में भी he will be going on calling you. Okay, the person who has given you, आप 5 रुपये या 6 रुपये का जो इंटरेस्ट का दे दोगे, उसको पैसा रिटर्न कर दोगे. विथ इंटरेस्ट आप रिटर्न करने के बाद में भी ही विल बी कंटिन्यूसली कॉलिंग यू. कॉल करने के बाद में, अभी एज आई हैव पेड द होल मनी, आई विल से कि मैंने पूरा पे कर दिया है ना, व्हाई आर यू अगेन कॉलिंग मी. देन ही विल से नो नो, और अभी इतना बाकी है, यू हैव टू पे. बट मेरा पैसा जा रहा है, आई बी इन फ्रस्ट्रेशन, इजंट इट. देन आई विल शाउट ऑन हिम. इन रिटर्न ही विल ऑल्सो शाउट ऑन मी. दैट टू ट्रस्ट मी, all maximum whatever the calls we have received are the from the North India side, so the very vulgar language. ए क्या करती, नाटक कर रही क्या, क्यों नहीं देती फोन, माँ बहन के गालियाँ, वो we can't digest, we also give in return, isn't it? Then he cuts the phone. This case we have come across, we have resolved this also. In one case what this fellow did is, वो लड़की का जो फोटो है ना, वो फोटो लेके वो प्रोन साइट में लगा दिया. लगा के उसमें उस लड़की का नंबर डाल दिया और बोला कि 24/7 आई एम अवेलेबल, यू कैन कॉल मी. एंड दिस गर्ल वॉज गेटिंग कॉल्स इन ऑड टाइम्स. देन शी अगेन कॉल दैट फेलो, क्यों तू ऐसा किया. शी केम टू नो फ्रॉम सम ऑफ हर रिलेटिव्स दैट दिस फेलो हैज डन लाइक दिस, एंटर्ड इन द प्रोन साइट. देन टुडे इज माई नाइट ड्यूटी, सो कंटिन्यूस गेटिंग कॉल्स. So then what happened is, this girl again called that fellow and said कि why the hell you have uploaded my photo in the prone site, I am getting so many calls. दिमाग खराब हो गया क्या साले, इडियट वगैरह करके गाली दी. तू मेरे को गाली देती करके वो क्या किया, वो लड़की का जो मदर का फोटो था, इवन दैट फोटो ही हैज अपलोडेड, मदर का फोन नंबर भी उसमें अपलोड कर दिया. नाउ पूर फेलोज, बोथ द लेडीज आर विक्टिम हियर, मदर एंड डॉटर, दे आर गेटिंग कॉल्स लाइक एनीथिंग. अब उनके हस्बैंड है, भाई है, चाचा है, काफ़ी लोग हैं. और काफ़ी लोग वी डोंट नो, बट आवर जेंट्स ऑल्सो हैव अ लुक ऑन द प्रोन साइट्स, बट ऑफकोर्स दे डोंट शेयर विथ अस, बट दे डू हैव एन आई. सो दीज पीपल, अगर मेरा किसी को पता चल गया तो प्रोन साइट में, तो दूसरों का है, मतलब कोई भी पहचानत वाले, अरे फलाना बहन जी का ऐसा आया है, उसका आपके बेटी का ऐसा आया है करके, दिस थिंग्स केम. Then these two ladies have approached to us along with the family members कि this happened in the prone site, my photo and my mother's photo is been there, and we are getting continuously calls, and it has become a hell for us. And trust me, some photos are been morphed, nude photos or semi-nude photos, these people's faces are been put it there, and again obscene pics are also been uploaded. No prostitute does her body projection, no prostitute does, but this bastard who has taken already the money and also with the interest, he want to teach a lesson, or he is having a grudge on that girl. That is why he was doing all these things. So with the help of our cyber team and technical team, we could delete the mother and daughter's phone, and we have removed the call data, call number, or whatever the things are there. But it was very difficult for us to track the accused person. जो आदमी हमको, मतलब जो लड़की का जो नंबर डाला है उसमें, जो person who has given the loan, it was very difficult for us to track that fellow, because I myself has sent a team to Assam. How we have sent the Assam, एक टीम को मैं खुद भेजी थी असम में, by seeing the address where, क्योंकि आपको एक एड्रेस आता है, वो एड्रेस का पक्का बैंक में एक लोन अकाउंट नंबर रहेगा, बट व्हाट द बैंक फेलोज हैव डन, दे हैव नॉट वेरीफाइड द एड्रेस while giving the account number. So I have sent my team to the Assam bank. My people have taken the address, but when my persons have gone there, there was a झोपड़ी there, एक झोपड़ी थी, and झोपड़ी में वो नाम का कोई भी नहीं था, और उसी एड्रेस पे कितने की लाखों का ट्रांजैक्शन भी हो गया उस झोपड़ी का एड्रेस पे. सो यू नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज फॉर द पुलिस ऑल्सो टू कैच सच पीपल. तो इट इज़ लाइक प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन क्यूर. तो अगर आपको 5 लाख या 10 लाख चाहिए, तो प्लीज़ डोंट गो थ्रू दिस लोन एप्स. यू टेक मनी फ्रॉम योर नोन पीपल, ओके, एंड वट एवर द एक्सेस यू आर गिविंग. आपके जो फ़ोन में इतना सारा ढेर सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन है, वो करोड़ों रुपए रखने से भी So what why I am telling you this is, whatever my secrets are there, or my contacts are there, my personal photos are there, I cannot value it because these are unmeasurable. मेरा प्राइवेसी अनमेजरेबल है. करोड़ों देने से भी मेरा प्राइवेसी का आई कांट टेल कि यस इतना है मेरा प्राइवेसी, या मेरा एक फ़ोटो का इतना वैल्यू है. आई कांट मेक वैल्यू टू माई पर्सनल फोटोज और माई कॉन्टैक्ट्स. तो हाउ कैन वी गिव अ एक्सेस of our gallery, contact, whatever the things we have in our phone to unknown person only for the sake of 5 lakh, 6 lakh or 10 lakh? Isn't it? So we should never be a victim in this. So that is the reason why I said www. That is nothing but a web has been created for you people, but don't stuck into that web and don't spoil your career or don't lose your life. There are so many victims. मतलब प्रोन साइट में आ गया, काफ़ी ह्यूमिलेशन हो रहा है, किसको अप्रोच करें कुछ नहीं कर सकते. देर आर एक्सट्रीम स्टेप दी पीपल हैव टेकन ऑफ सुसाइडल ऑल्सो. सो एंड सुसाइड इज नॉट द सोल्यूशन फॉर एनी प्रॉब्लम. प्लीज रिमेंबर, एनी वुमेन और टेक इट फॉर लाइक men also, suicide is not the solution for any problem. Whatever the problem in the world is there, for every problem we have a solution. Only the thing is करेक्ट से उसको डील करने आना है. ठीक है, ऐसा कोई डिसीज़ नहीं है कि जिसका क्यूर नहीं हो सकता है. इतना है, करेक्ट से डायग्नोस करना है, करेक्ट से ट्रीटमेंट देना है. उसी तरह कितना भी प्रॉब्लम हो अपने को, उसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. एवरी प्रॉब्लम हैज़ अ सोल्यूशन, बट अनलेस यू टॉक, अनलेस यू शेयर योर प्रॉब्लम, हाउ द अपोजिट पर्सन विल नो. क्योंकि अभी आई एम इंस्पेक्टर. In case if I have some problem, my mind will stop thinking. isn't it? आपके भी घर में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आया हो, आपका माइंड स्ट्रॉक मतलब वहाँ स्ट्रक हो जाता है, यू कांट गेट आइडियाज बिकॉज वो जो प्रेशर है, जो प्रॉब्लम का प्रेशर है, वी आर सप्रेस्ड अंडर दैट प्रॉब्लम, द प्रेशर. देन वी हैव टू अप्रोच टू आवर फ्रेंड और एनी कोलीग और whoever is our well-wisher friends, so that they will give a solution to us. Okay, so please, whatever problems you have, you need to share. You need to share, and every problem has a solution. Take it for granted. And there are some problems, some issues where in good olden days, like when the girls were in the college or when they were doing jobs, they were having a close acquaintance with any of the male colleagues. That time they might have taken some photos or some personal time they might have spent, and those memories will be there. But this fellow can blackmail that girl for his use in future. होता है ना ऐसा? जब आप अच्छे रिलेशन में रहते हो तो ठीक है, जब आपका रिलेशन ब्रेक होता है और अच्छे रिलेशन में जब आप रहते हो, कुछ फोटोज़ या वीडियोज़ है, तो वो फोटोज़ को लेके आपके फ्यूचर में ही में ब्लैकमेल यू, ब्लैकमेल कर रहा है. डोंट फील अशेम. ओके, यू अप्रोच टू शी टीम और एनी पर्सन और एनी नियर बाय पुलिस पीपल. जस्ट पुट अ वर्ड दैट माई आइडेंटिटी शुड नॉट बी रिवील्ड. प्लीज़ सी दैट मेरा समाज में जो मर्यादा है ये ना जाए. प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा सीक्रेटली डील करें. डेफिनेटली पुलिस इज देयर. वी विल नॉट रिवील योर आइडेंटिटी एनीवेयर. देर आर केसेस बिकॉज I stay in Gachibowli. My office is in Gachibowli. You know, from all over India, girls are coming and doing jobs there. And they are in the live-in relation, and they are with the cohabitation with the other boys also. And of course, as I said, some video calls or photos, all are there. But there are cases जो हम लोग सॉल्व किए और उनके माँ बाप को पता भी नहीं चला कि प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व. उनकी बच्ची ऐसा प्रॉब्लम में थी, ऐसा उनको पता भी नहीं माँ बाप को, लेकिन वी हैव सॉल्व द इश्यूज. ओके, सो माई रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल इज ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिस, लाइक ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ वुमेन्स डे, ऑल वुमेन शुड हैव अ सेफ एंड सिक्योर्ड लाइफ. गलतियाँ सभी करते हैं, बट गलतियाँ वी हैव टू रियलाइज and we should face it and resolve the problem. Okay, and I hope that after listening to these words, no one will be getting trapped in this WW's web. Okay, and all the best. God bless you. Thank you. क्या बोलिए? She safe. आप किस लिए डाउनलोड किए? वो रिलेटेड है, राइट? ओके. SC इज नथिंग बट साइबराबाद सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल. SC यहाँ कितने लोग IT रिलेटेड हैं? IT एम्प्लॉइज. आपके हस्बैंड्स है ना? यस. तो मैक्सिमम शी सेफ इज नथिंग बट दिस इज फॉर द हॉस्टल पीपल. ओके, जो वुमेन हॉस्टल्स हैं हमारे पास, वी हैव 5282 हॉस्टल्स. ओके, सो 5000 चेंज हॉस्टल्स वी हैव. इन हॉस्टल्स में 10 कमांडमेंट्स वी हैव गिवन, मतलब 10 सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स वी हैव सेट टू देम कि अगर लड़की हॉस्टल में रह रही है, अगर अपनी भी लड़की अगर जॉब के लिए यहाँ से दूर हो रहा है तो नियर बाय जॉब के पास हॉस्टल में रहेगी. तो हॉस्टल्स के लिए क्या क्या मेजरमेंट्स दे हैव टू टेक, लाइक कैमराज आर मस्ट एवरी टाइम 24/7. सिक्योरिटी इज देयर. नो मेल एक्सेस इनटू द गर्ल्स हॉस्टल साइड. कॉमन एरिया जो रिसेप्शन का है, उस एरिया में ही कोई भी अगर मेल आदमी आके आपसे मिलना चाह रहा है तो they should meet in the reception only. That fellow should not go to the hostel room because the other roommate will feel incomfort because the other boy is there and we don't know that boy is whether his girlfriend or भैया. ठीक है? तो there are some commandments, some कुछ rules and regulations लगाए हुए हैं so that she safe रहेगा. safe stay. At the same time, you'll find some एक पिंक कलर की एक गाड़ी भी आएगी आपको, देखा होगा आपने, SC लिखा है उस पर. वो गाड़ी मतलब दैट इज़ अ फ्री ड्रॉप एंड पिक, फ्री ड्रॉप she shuttle is there. So there are so many programs which we have come up with the partnering with the IT companies, because IT companies will have a CSR funds, right? Are you aware of CSR funds? Yeah. तो जो CSR फंड्स है वो समाज के लिए, सोसाइटी के लिए यूज़ करना होता है. तो वो फंड्स को जो है वी आर यूजिंग एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर द वुमेन्स सेफ गार्ड. These are the so many tips, like so many activities are going in and out of surrounding to you for make a woman safe, give a woman safe zone. Okay, I think this is not so important, but madam you said, that's why I just gave a clarity. But the earlier points which I said to you, use of technology, digitalization and technology, please be careful and be aware. Okay, and be safe. Thank you.